Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how I clean up my eyebrows and then 2 different techniques that I use to fill them in. Let's go ahead and get started. Of course, we're going to start with the spoolie. So you just want to make sure that you brush your hair in the direction that your eyebrows are going in. In the front of your eyebrow, you brush up, and then to the back of the eyebrow, you just brush in that direction that the eyebrow hair grows in. So taking an eyebrow razor, I'm just going to lift my eyebrow with one hand and then use the eyebrow razor to shape up any excess hair that are under the bottom of my eyebrow. I really don't have a lot of hair here because I probably do this like once a month, so my eyebrow hair doesn't really get a chance to grow back. As you can also see, my eyebrow hair is pretty sparse, so it's not really like wild hairs everywhere, so it's very easy for me to clean up. I don't really do much, as you can see, just something simple to make sure that, like I said, my eyebrows look nice and cleaned up. Alright, so this eyebrow is kind of like my troubling eyebrow sometimes. The hair does grow a little wild on this one, so I do have to shape it up a little bit in the front. You could probably just take like some eyebrow scissors and like cut it off to the length that you want to, but I've been using the eyebrow razor for so long that I just use this because I have found a nice technique that works for me. When I'm cleaning up my eyebrows, as you see, I don't get them too clean because I don't want them to be super thin, because I'm not one of those people who wants to shave their eyebrow all the way off and then draw it back on. That just seems very redundant for me. Now here I'm just going to be taking my favorite brow gel. This is like a CoverGirl brow gel and has like a brow tint to it. I love this product. The only thing that I would say is if you pack it on a little heavy, you just have to come back in with the spoolie and then just blend it to make it look a little more natural, which you'll see me do that here as well. So today I'm going to be using the NYX HD Photogenic Concealer. This is going to be the color Nutmeg. This is really close to my skin color, like super close, like the most natural concealer that I've been able to find so far. And since this is just going to be a nice natural eyebrow cleanup look, this is just going to be perfect. Like, it's just, I'm telling you, when I blend this out, you'll see. It's going to look just like my skin. Second product of the day is going to be the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I like this product because it is double-headed and has a spoolie at the other end. Now, as you see with the pencil, I do not start at the beginning, and that's just because it makes it easier to blend and making everything natural. And you'll see how I get the brow to look a little darker in the beginning. Now when I'm cleaning up my eyebrows and I go to the top, I don't use any extra concealer. I just use what's left over on the brush. And that's just because sometimes I hate like when people have like those really harsh lines around their eyebrows. And I don't want to have those harsh lines around my eyebrows. So I just use whatever is left over to clean up the top. And it's not really that necessary to conceal the top of your eyebrow unless it's really messy. But I like the clean look, and so I do conceal the top of my eyebrows as well. I just want to thank you all for watching another video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment below anything you'd like to see in the future.